Hello, Scoot friends. Got to go for a nice big long bike ride. 3 months out on the old Mew. So let's get biking.
Where are you going?
I guess I'm gonna go that way and come back. Off-road. I want to see what that sign says. Okay, Scoot friends, I was curious. This sign popped up. They were going to be cracking down on the e-bikes, and it looks like they are. Interesting. Alrighty. Let's go hit the trail. Thanks, baby. We're on the Lakeshore Trail right now. I have scooted this before. Wonder how the view is from this camera angle. I don't usually ride the bicycle with the camera on my chest like I do when I am scooting. Usually I put it on the handlebars. Thought I'd give this a try. It's a gorgeous Saturday morning. I think it's around 73 degrees Fahrenheit right now. Look at these flowers and plants. Morning.
Good morning.
I wasn't like talking about oh, that's a headwind. Ugh. And a hill. I swear it's steeper than it looks. Wonder what the big tent's for. This area is called Adelaide Point. We look pretty cute in that reflection. Guess there was probably a fishing tournament. Okay, pedestrians, share the road. Good morning. For a minute there, I was like, are they going to move at all? I'm going to start ringing my bell. No, you're fine. Just didn't want to frighten you. So to the right there is Leastma Pier. Like I said, I've scooted here before, so if you'd like to see Leastma Pier, I'll put the scoot number up on the screen. This is like the most plants I've ever seen along here, though. Yeah, illegal dumping bad.
But they got in trouble for that, so now it's plants.
Plants good.
Yeah.
Dumping bad. All right, let's see what happens with this watering right now. Do we get a shower? This was redone. This little...
There's no like
Whew, it's a little mist. It's gotten so much nicer back here. Yeah, weren't there like more trees and stuff?
Oh yeah.
It was like all shade back here.
Yeah.
It was all shade. This is completely different than the last time we rode through. Yeah, because now we're at this.
Watering the burn.
Yeah, I was like, that's completely different. Some yacht club over to the right here. Yachties, haha. Yeah, that's all completely different. They really spruced it up. Thanks for doing this part of the route rather than the other part.
Oh yeah. Where did all those people come from? Here?
What, the big Peloton? The big group
No,
of riders?
like people walking in the sidewalk who have no idea that other humans exist.
Oh, I don't know. Yeah, maybe here. Maybe they're just on a walk from the donut shop up here.
They hadn't been walking that long. Not most.
So Neil brought it to my attention that there is a donut ride in Illinois. I feel like we should probably investigate that. You like donuts and riding. I was like, how does Neil, who lives in Scotland, by the way, shout out 5 track lacrosse, know about this and we don't? Oh, this is beautiful. Okay, there is a person down on the beach. Oh, look at all the swans. We probably won't push it too far. And I probably will turn the camera off.
Maybe we do that.
What's that?
I feel like the transition there was a lot nicer.
Yeah, there's less of a big bump coming off the boardwalk. But I did want to take you along for my first scenic and fun bike ride on the new knee. Just a little bit of it. And what a day to bring you. Look at all these swans. Morning. Look, they've added dotted lines. Stay on your side. What a view of the swans. You couldn't see a camera, sorry. Blind corner. Doesn't get much better than this, huh?
The green wall is certainly out.
Sure is. It's awesome. And then it's like, woo, lake. That's new. The art thing there where the dog is sitting. So it's a wind phone? I don't even know what that is. Well, that's cool. And more swans. Not so fun fact. Swans are considered an invasive species, and they get so many of them here that there ends up being a culling that happens once a year. Crazy. All right, we're gonna keep going, but I'm gonna turn the camera off here just in case this is the end of the video, or in case I make it the end of the video. Thanks for biking with us. I'll see you on a Wednesday. Same scoot time, same scoot channel. And please, have yourself a magical day. And shout out to all the new Scoot friends. Welcome! So just wanted to see how the knee felt after the ride, or at least this part of it. We're a couple miles in, right? Feels pretty good.